Hello everyone, Ray-Ban Meta. Nice glasses, but it's still glasses. It's still fragile. So if you have those, please be careful because it's very hard to fix them. Very hard because the density of electronics in here is so crazy. Uh, please watch my video how I fixed that. This is the final result. As you can see, it's quite solid. Enjoy the video! While opening the case, you have to identify where is the cover. So the cover is this is cover. So it has like a C shape, the main body is like a C shape, and this one is a cover. Not this one, this one. To open it, you need to have a knife because it's glued very well. And first, I made a mistake. I went too deep and unfortunately I cut the FPC, and it took me a while to fix connector and to fix actual circuit. I cut 3 traces. 3 traces! Without those traces, audio didn't work, so I fixed that, but it took me like a lot of time, couple hours, and it's very fragile. So to open it, use knife, but don't go very deep. Go just maybe 2 millimeters maximum, 2, 1.5, 2. So you have to somehow limit how deep you put your knife inside to cut all those plastic and glue around. Very important, this switch is just a switch. It goes on and off. It just short the circuit and make it open. Nothing special about the switch. The only one thing that is really important, it has a spring contacts to touch the there on PCB. There is a 2 spring contacts to touch this FPC on the bottom on this cover. So very important, you have to make sure that this switch very close to those spring buttons and the contact is very good. Otherwise, your glasses will glitch. They will go on and off constantly. Just make sure that the contact is really good. Yeah. using copper on FPC, I found out that I actually cut 3 signal traces, and looks like it was audio. I fixed that. Unfortunately, I didn't record the video how I put those teeny tiny wires. It was really hard work. Be careful, do not cut FPC when you open the case, please. What I used to stick all the plastic together, it was stainless steel tube. Teeny tiny. Where's the camera? It's just the 1 millimeter thick. So you can use anything you want, but something very solid. And then use the temperature to melt the plastic and put this metal part inside. From 3 sides, more is better. Because once you break the plastic, I am not sure that you can glue it, but this thing worked very well. Don't have to be a tube. It can be something else. To make really nice look, I used UV resin. It is from AliExpress. I think I paid like $5 for this one. And to cure this one, you need UV light. You can use any UV light, any source of UV light. If it's less power, just keep it for longer time. I bought this one on AliExpress, I think for $5. Yeah. You can buy anything you want, something with UV. And resin, of course. Again, it's up to you. The most important part here is to put some rigid inside the plastic. I use solder iron to heat these metal parts and put it inside. And I couldn't melt it at a temperature like around 200 Celsius. So this plastic is quite hard one. So you need to have at least more than 200 Celsius to melt this plastic. Yep. Okay, what else? Oh! So there's LED on the right side in here. There's LED and there's a photoresistor or whatever. If it reflects the light back, it says that something blocks it and you cannot record the video or take a picture. So the only way is to drill this LED out. You can use Dremel, you can use whatever you want, drill bit. All you need to do is just remove this glass. There's a glass. Right now it's the photopolymer. It's fixed right now. So I will turn it on and show it to you. Right now it's loading. Wait. There's a LED, you have to drill it out, be careful. Once you're done, you have to put transparent photopolymer. Use something like UV to cure it. And you're good to go. It even looks like a lens, see? Okay, so right now it's loaded. Record the video, start to record the video. Oh, now we're making a video, see? And no LED is blinking. Again. Yep. I mean, it's up to you. You can do it. You don't have to. I think it's break the agreement with the Meta. It's on your own risk. I did it for myself, and I don't tell you to do it. It's up to you. I just show you how to do it. That's it. For the final look, I used heat shrink. I have a lot of heat shrink. Actually, I was thinking to make something like a rainbow color, but I don't have the right diameter. But it's kind of customization, you know? You can actually make any colors you want. It's not a problem, but the problem is the speaker is here, the mic is here. The button is here, and if you put it somewhere in here, it will just loose and go all over the place. So I recommend you to make like a trap, like this one. You see it's locked here, and cannot move anywhere because the diameter here is smaller and here is smaller. Same here, we have a button.